Flock Shop, located in Spartanburg, South Carolina. You can go on my page. I did a couple reviews on them. Well worth the look. Look, this is their take on chicken and grits. And when I tell you, this dish was amazing. Adula Farm stone ground grits, goat cheese, smoked maple bacon, Alabama white sauce, scallions, and the chicken is cooked to perfection. But I'm going to tell you what, they had the nerve, I mean the audacity, to put some collard greens right in the middle of them grits. And when I tell you it's good, Flock Shop, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. Yes. Follow Big Dave Eats on all social media platforms for more reviews like this.